अच्छा जी, today we have discussed the digestive system and the disorders of the digestive system. Now we summarize the digestive system, the parts from small intestine to the disorder of digestive system. We have discussed till stomach in our previous lecture. Today we have discussed the small intestine. What is small intestine? Small intestine is a 7-meter long and 3 centimeter in diameter narrow tube which is present in coiled form. The digestion of the food is completed in the small intestine. Here the maximum absorption of the food takes place in the small intestine. Now two organs are connected with the small intestine, that is liver and pancreas. Liver secrete a bile which is greenish in color and alkaline in nature. Now the bile, it is stored in the gallbladder and they are secrete a bile on the small intestine to emulsify the fats or to break down the fats. The next organ which is connected with the small intestine is pancreas. On the wall of the pancreas, pancreatic glands are present which produces pancreatic juice, in which 3 enzymes are present. They are amylase, trypsin and lipase. Amylase convert the carbohydrate into glucose. Trypsin convert the proteins into amino acid, and the lipase they convert the fats into glycogen. ठीक, उसके बाद हमारे पास आ जाता है अब now the larger molecules now they are converted into the smaller molecules. ठीक है, किस चीज़ में कन्वर्ट हो गए हैं? स्मॉलर मॉलिक्यूल्स में कन्वर्ट हो गए हैं. नाउ द ग्लूकोज विच इज़ फॉर्म बाय द ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, दे आर नीडेड फॉर रिस्पायरेशन and through the constant supply of blood they are transported to all parts of the body and it gives us energy. The excess amount of glucose they are converted into insoluble glycogen. When there is the need of glucose again, then the glycogen is converted into glucose and again they are transported to the body. Excess carbohydrates they are converted into fats. Excess amount of amino acid which is produced, the amino acid which is produced, they are used for the repair of the damaged tissue and they are also used for the growth of the body. It means that the digestion of proteins, amino acid which is formed by the digestion of protein, they cannot be stored. वो स्टोर नहीं होते हैं बल्कि वो यूज़ होते हैं किस चीज़ के लिए? For the growth and repair of the body. And excess amino acids are changed to a substance which is called urea. ठीक है, जो excess amount जो होगा वो किस फॉर्म में चेंज हो जाता है? यूरिया में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, चेंज हो जाता है, which is then excreted from the body. Now comes to the large intestine. What is large intestine? In the large intestine, water and mineral salts they are removed from the undigested food. Large intestine में हमारे पास क्या आता है? Here the undigested food comes in which and from that undigested food the water and the mineral salts they are absorbed into the blood. इसके अलावा cellulose from plant cell wall which we cannot digest. ठीक है, एक आल्सो कंटेन ये जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड है इसमें क्या चीज़ प्रेजेंट होती है? सेल्यूलोज भी प्रेजेंट होता है जो कि क्या है? फ्रॉम प्लांट सेल वॉल से है, विच इज़ द अनडाइजेस्टेड मटीरियल. नाउ दे आर स्टोर्ड इन द रेक्टम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फीसिस. ठीक है, वहाँ पे स्टोर हो जाता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फीसेस एंड 2/3 वाटर उसमें होता है एंड हाफ ऑफ डेड बैक्टीरिया आर प्रेजेंट. नाउ दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द digestive system. Then we will discuss the problems या disorder of the gut या digestive system. Most common disorder that is indigestion, बदहजमी, diarrhea and constipation. ठीक. What is indigestion? How it is caused? Indigestion is usually caused by eating food too quickly, not chewing it enough. ठीक है. When we eat the food too quickly and not chew it properly, as a result, extra production of gastric juice are formed in the stomach. As a result, the amount या the quantity of acid is increased in the stomach, and if a person belches, then some of the acids come up the gullet, causing a burning sensation, which is sometimes called heartburn. ठीक है. क्या होगा कि अगर हम प्रॉपरली उसको च्यू नहीं करेंगे, प्रॉपरली उसको ईट नहीं, अगर क्विकली खाएंगे, च्यू नहीं करेंगे, जिसकी वजह से हमारा स्टमक जो है वो एक्स्ट्रा गैस्ट्रिक जूसेस प्रोड्यूस करेगा. और उस एक्स्ट्रा जूसेस में क्या चीज़ प्रेजेंट होती है? एसिड प्रेजेंट होता है. दैट्स वाई इफ़ अ पर्सन बेल्चेस, इट मीन्स कि अगर जब वो डिकार लेता है तो सम ऑफ द एसिड इट कम्स अप द गलेट, जिसकी वजह से इट फील बर्निंग सेंसेशन एंड वी से के आवर हार्ट इज़ बर्निंग. हम कहते हैं कि हमारा दिल जल रहा है. एक्चुअली ये क्या होता है? दैट इज़ द एसिड विच कम्स अप द गलेट. नाउ क्योर, हाउ वी कैन क्योर? बाय टेकिंग अ टैबलेट और अ ड्रिंक कंटेनिंग एन अल्कली दैट विल न्यूट्रलाइज द एसिड. चूँकि ये एसिड होता है, इसको न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए, इसको साल्ट और वाटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम क्या चीज़ लेते हैं? हम मेडिसिन लेते हैं जिसमें क्या हो? अल्कली हो. अल्कली मीन जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हम कहते हैं वी कैन टेक इनो. एज अ रिजल्ट क्या करेगा वो इसको कैंसल इट्स इफेक्ट एंड दे न्यूट्रलाइज इट, वो उसको न्यूट्रलाइज कर देगा. क्लियर? देन वी हैव डिस्कस के इफ़ अ पर्सन who constantly has too much acid in the stomach, they get an ulcer. इसी तरह अगर कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं कि there is an acid constantly present acid in its stomach, या the production of acid is produced constantly in its stomach, so they get a disease which is known as ulcer. Basic causes of ulcer is the destruction of the gut wall by HCl, cigarette smoking, symptoms abdominal burning and pain, loss of appetite and weight loss. Now its treatment is, ulcer is treated with alkaline medicines. Prevention, avoiding spicy and acidic foods. Now the next is diarrhea. Diarrhea, how it is caused? Diarrhea is caused by taking infected food. When we take infected food, so the virus, the bacteria, it enter in our body. As a result, the diarrhea is caused. The next cause is proper amount of water is not absorbed from colon, and required water leaves the body along with feces. Next क्या है? Colon is the part of the large intestine where the water and minerals are absorbed from the undigested food. So proper amount of water when it is not absorbed from colon, वो colon से अगर absorb नहीं होगा, and required waters leave the body along with feces, वो पहाने के साथ जो है water जो है वो आपकी body से बाहर चला जाएगा. So that is also the cause. Now the third cause is the infection in the intestinal wall. If the wall of the intestine is infected, so also the diarrhea is caused. Overwork and worry. अक्सर आपने देखा होगा कि जब आप लोगों के टेस्ट होते हैं, जब एग्ज़ाम होते हैं, तो उस टाइम अगर आप देखें तो अक्सर लोगों का दिल भी ख़राब होता है. ठीक है, कुछ लोग वोमिट भी कर लेते हैं, कुछ लोगों का पेट भी ख़राब हो जाता है. किस वजह से? उस टेंशन की वजह से, दे आर वरीड. ठीक है, या बर्डन अगर किसी काम का हो तो तब भी द डायरिया इज काज. सिम्टम्स क्या है? फ्रीक्वेंट वाटरी लूज बाउल मूवमेंट. ठीक. सेकेंड इज एब्डोमिनल पेन, nausea, matli and vomiting. How we can cure? We can cure. Intake of fluid should be increased to avoid dehydration. Medicine should be taken in severe diarrhea to avoid constipation. Now the next is constipation. That is complication T. Constipation causes feces are not eliminated from the body at regular interval. Large intestine absorb more water than the usual amount. Insufficient intake of dietary fluid and dietary fibers and fluids. Frequent use of spicy foods when the waste stays in the large intestine for longer. Symptoms: passing hard and dry stool, unusual straining at stool and abdominal discomfort. Cure: improvement in lavatory habits, increase intake of fluid, taking fibers in more amount, taking laxatives which is paraffin medicine है in chronic constipation, otherwise avoid using them. Thank you.